congratulations for Metro and that's about to
thank
release.
you.
I mean, you're saying.
My first question is for the actors here. Ma'am, you have worked with him earlier in Life in a
एक्टर के लिए
Metro.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
So second
Ajaro.
question would be for you.
Sarah, you have worked. It's the first time you're working with him.
Yes.
Aditya, you and Fatima have worked with him in
Yes.
Ludo.
I'm the first.
You are the first timer. Tell me, what's the day-to-day unfolding on an Anurag Basu set? Like day one, when you walk into Metro Indino's set, how does it all unfold? Anyone can take the lead and start.
I think you must because you're the first timer.
I think you don't know what to expect.
Mhm.
And I think that's what the fun is. Because I think that as actors, sometimes we have like a vision of ऐसा होगा
Mhm.
और उसमें ना ऐसा हो सकता है कहीं ना कहीं चला जाता है. So I think you just come in empty and you leave full.
Mhm.
That's all.
Okay. And Adi?
Yeah, I think so. Second film, I think Sir likes to start the first day light. But actually, now come to think of it, no. You want to, you know, Ludo also we started with
Catch the bull by the horn.
Catch the bull by the horn. So there's actually on Ludo, we did a very tough scene on the first day. And he said, yeah, he said the
that's
better is that
true.
once you do a really tough scene in the start, na, then
That's
everything
a
is
kick-off.
easy for you.
Yeah.
So you've broken yourself in.
Mhm.
So I think that is normally what happens on the first couple of days.
Okay.
which takes, which is good though. By the end of it, you're happy because you've gotten such a big thing out of the way.
Yeah.
True.
So that I think.
No,
is,
ये मैंने realize नहीं किया था. हमने first day वो रोने वाला scene किया
हाँ
था.
हमें तो हर कहानी का
छोड़ के चला गया.
नहीं जो it's not about
some pre-climax and all.
it's not about tough scene. Whatever the scene sets the tone for the story. That's
Mhm.
it.
Okay.
Sometimes it can be lighter scene also.
Correct.
Oh, right.
ताकि हमें भी समझ में आ जाए कि
हाँ
ये
कहाँ जा रहा है?
Mhm.
यहाँ पे जा रहा है.
Yeah.
And Fatima?
मैंने वही तो बोला. इनका.
Acha, same.
हाँ,
Okay.
same.
And Konkona ma'am?
I think, I don't remember the first day of either Life in a Metro or Metro in you know. It kind of seems to be like a general continuum of Dada-ness. And it's a very comfortable space for me.
Mhm. Okay.
Luckily in our story, I don't think we had too many kind of intense bits.
हाँ.
It was kind of told through humor.
Mhm.
So one of the early scenes with Pankaj was a kind of talky
Yeah.
scene. It was nice. It was,
Okay.
Ours was the dance wala, no? That was the first day.
Yeah, yeah, musical in the
Which was
Metro.
not easy, yeah.
It's not easy.
That was tough. We started with a tough one on this
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
To
Tough
sing
for
and
you guys.
Mhm.
I was so chilling.
you were chilling.
For me, it was fun.
But then your emotional scene came.
That was Ludo.
And Dada, I love how you mold your music in tandem with Pritam Da. Been a huge fan since Gangster, 20 years almost now. I've always been fascinated what goes on between the two of you. You know, as you said, brainstorm, jam. कैसे म्यूजिक पे काम होता है?
पता
What are
नहीं।
the cues?
ऐसे ही हो जाता है और it's just we have very similar choices of everything from food to music to everything. प्लेलिस्ट में कुछ गाना में भी पुराना याद आता है उसी प्रीतम को मुझे याद है और किसी को रूम में याद नहीं होता. अच्छा हाँ वो वाला गाना. Somehow our taste of music and the kind of artist we follow and वो बहुत similar है. और ये there is no process like गाना बना फिर कहानी बनी. कहानी और गाना सब साथ में बनते रहता है. And my story affects the music affects my story. तो I think ये कुछ चल रहा होता है पूरा process during the making. और हम दोनों बहुत आलसी भी हैं. हम दोनों और तो I think हम दोनों में ये common है कि यार कल पे छोड़ देते हैं थोड़ा सा. कल कुछ अच्छा निकल आएगा.
How can you be आलसी and make films like these? What are you talking about?
It's called just talented,
तो
gifted.
ऐसे नहीं वो और ये और मेट्रो जो है मुझसे ज़्यादा प्रीतम का है एक्चुअली. If I see he मतलब उसमें and और वाकई when we will see the film and when you will see the film as a whole you will understand how music is so important for this film. प्रीतम का म्यूजिक और प्रीतम धागे की तरह काम किया है. String to tie everything together.
Okay. And talking about that, Life in a Metro की अगर मैं बात करूँ, I still remember that one scene जो शुरुआत में होता है wherein everyone calls in everyone. That kind of set the mood of the film for me. It's a hyperlink structure. How did you first? How much of it was on the shoot and how much of it was on the edit table? And how did you go about it weaving that scene? Because
एडिट पे
it's
कुछ
very
नहीं
tough.
होता है. एडिट पे क्या होगा जब शूट करेंगे वही तो एडिट करेंगे. एडिट पे कुछ नहीं होता है. आई थिंक सो एडिट पे नहीं शूट पे नहीं उसके पहले लिखने में होता है सब कुछ. राइटिंग उसके बाद तो आपको आप उसको फिनिश करते हैं उसको साफ सफाई करके ठीक ठाक करते हैं बेटर करते हैं. आप क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते.
So the weaving of the stories for you happens before it doesn't happen in the edit where you're like
No,
restructuring doesn't
it cannot happen. For example, I'll give you an example, because even for Ludo, na, you're running from there. If I decide to shoot your scene in certain light day, I shoot other story night.
तो मैच ही नहीं करेगा.
So आप तो
Story weave नहीं
you
होगी.
have to weave everything together. Every costume continuity, location, light. If it is sunset में कहानी और दूसरी कहानी भी sunset में ही हो रही है.
Correct, correct.
तो it has to be, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब तेरा sunset है दूसरी कहानी में bright light है.
because suddenly there's a change of
So हाँ, it's a sunset in 4 scenes, magic or
It
in
has to
4
flow.
scenes, night. So you have to plan it accordingly. Otherwise तो पहले से अगर रहेगा नहीं कब
और
कर
ऐसा
पाएगा?
थोड़ी ना है कि सब पड़ा हुआ है माल and then you just cut copy
No,
paste.
you can't do it. It's not possible. क्योंकि because it is interlinked and hyperlinked, you have to plan कि कहाँ से क्या होगा. और थोड़ा सा आप करते करते क्या होता है, when also you're writing it while on shooting, but you cannot change much.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा होता है कि आप हाँ इस सीन को इस सीन के पहले ले आऊंगा बाद में लाऊंगा. Sometimes गाना
Minor tweaks.
हाँ जस्ट थोड़ा सा माइनर ट्विक्स तो होता है, एंड तक होता है वो. एडिट पे भी हम थोड़ा सा करते हैं, बट माइनर, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाता.
Okay. And Fatima, when we spoke last time on call, you said that Adi brings a certain kind of a relaxed energy because he has already worked with Dada on the set. Could you please elaborate further on that?
जी, ये इसकी एनर्जी
तुम
कितनी
सब मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हुए हैं? चलो.
नहीं, बट एक्चुअली इनका सेट का माहौल ही इतना लाइट होता है. आप आते हो, मस्ती करते हो, एंड देयर इज नो स्ट्रेस. उसके कारण सेट पे कोई भी स्ट्रेस नहीं है. कुछ नेगेटिविटी है ही नहीं. अगर किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन भी करना है, कोलैबोरेट भी करना है, वो आप कर सकते हो. इनको अगर इन्होंने कुछ कहा है और अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं दादा ये पता नहीं, सही नहीं है, तो वो सुनेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नकार देंगे कि अच्छा नहीं मुझे नहीं सुनना. सो ही इज नॉट रिजिड. ही इज अ वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव पर्सन, एंड देन एज एन एक्टर यू फील कि वॉइस इज बीन हर्ड. दैट्स द वर्स्ट प्लेस ऑफ एन फॉर एन एक्टर, जहाँ पे आप कुछ बोलो और आपको हकाल दिया जाए. And you feel small, and he never makes his actors feel small.
Okay.
Thanks, yeah. Oh,
Thank you.
And my next question is for Adi and Sara. Was there any moment wherein you were pleasantly surprised by what came out of a particular scene that you were engaging in or trying to, when there was an active give and take between the two of you as actors? Any one moment, not scene.
Yeah, I think.
शूटिंग के दौरान.
Yeah, I think that first scene we shot, that cafe musical, once it started happening, because there were, once you see the movie, you'll maybe know what we're talking about. It had already been rehearsed by a bunch of other actors. We were just placed and put in a...
श्याम स्टील फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग TMT बार, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ फ्लेक्सिबल भी है.
आपदा मुसीबत कोई भी आए, ये घर को अटूट बनाए.
जब TMT फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग,
तो घर रहे हमेशा के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग.
A situation where the first take only, all of them were rehearsed, and it was like, wow, this
It's
is what this
magic.
is going to be.
It looks like-
all the dancers got up, they were miming their lines, it was going on. It was like, wow, this is amazing, and we didn't have anything to expect. So that was a very pleasant surprise to see that first scene just come to life after actions. We were reacting like how the characters would react in that situation.
And Sara.
No, I agree. I think that it's not just that particular scene. I think I was surprised throughout only. I think Basu was laughing, but no, truly, I think that the minute you let go now, just some surprising things land up happening. Basuda calls it magic, but I feel like just being able to let free, let go, and truly be present in the moments that we were, because the whole set would come alive. Basuda created such a, like Adi was saying, about the cafe musical that you guys will see. There was just a palpable energy in general. So you just had to let go, not think, and be there. And that was what we had. Flow is the word.
बहुत तारीफ.
रोल मत काटना, दादा रोल मत काटना.
No pressure. Now the film, no pressure.
बहुत
pressure
pressure
हो रहा
है,
है.
बहुत pressure
ये
होता
सब
है.
बातें हो रही है.
हाँ.
ये pressure हम पे तो नहीं है, बात वो है.
हाँ, वही तो. हाँ.
Okay, and Konkona ma'am, when you work with him, I want to know what's the give and take between the two of you. Like, so suppose you are jamming on a scene, he gives certain cues that a scene has to be structured this way. This is your pitch for the character. How does it all happen from there? How do you carry from that? What are your inputs into the character after he has briefed you?
I don't think we spoke about structure or
No.
pitch. है ना?
No, you don't.
I don't think we had those kind of conversations. I think we spoke about the world and the characters and the stage of life, and we spoke about those kind of things a little bit. I read my story, but on set it's more a mood and a feel, if anything else, and it kind of emanates from him, and then it's kind of picked up by, you know, the HODs and by the actors. And I wanted to add, you know, to what Fatima was saying, which made sense, which is that there is no negativity or malice or even that
Judgment.
stress, judgment is not there, because as actors you kind of have to be neutral going in, you know, because you're being somebody else, so your own self has to be neutral and at the back, you know. So if your own self is filled with some other emotion like stress or some negativity or some, you know, something else is going on, it kind of leaks in, you know. So that's a very lovely thing.
आपकी आंखों में दिख जाता है
Yeah.
when you're not happy.
True. Okay. And moving further, this question is for all of you. Metro for me, of course, it's everyone comes together in film. You know, it belongs to everyone. But when I see Metro as a franchisee, I dearly miss KK and Irfan sir. Anything that you would love to you know, talk about that, you know, elaborate further on that? Anyone?
Irfan, yeah, we miss. I've chased Irfan. Actually, I remember when I narrated Irfan thought, you know, his role is not very meaty. I'm a very bad narrator. I couldn't give him confidence that, you know, this role is really good. So Irfan, so I called up Shutapa and I asked Shutapa, please convince him. Bangla mein bola Shutapa ko, convince Irfan, and Irfan said yes, and he was very happy. After the first scene, when you halfway through the scene, we were shooting the first meeting scene of you and Irfan. The first scene we were shoot cafe shoot, and we were shooting in holiday in Juhu. Shutapa called me. Scene आधा ही हुआ था, and Shutapa called me and said Irfan is very happy. He's not telling me, he's telling you. So yeah, and so all those memories of Irfan. KK coming, that was Pritam really wanted KK, you know, to sing Alvida. मुझे याद है पूना से आया था वो. बहुत सारी यादें हैं, मतलब, you know, very fond and pleasant memories of. और कैसे बन गया ना, it's just we didn't realize it was just, I think their story was shot in 8-9 days. We just,
What are you saying?
रास्ते में जाते थे.
It felt like we're doing anything at all,
I
you know.
know.
That was like just stand there over here, shout here. We'll just we go there on the bar.
ऐसे हो
Okay.
गया. और गाड़ी में मुझे पता है, हम कॉलेज में जाते, इरफान came in the college and we started rehearsing. That scene was written on the way ना, while जाते me and Sanjeev, वो जो scene है, गाड़ी तो निकालो. हाँ, गाड़ी तो निकालो. मैं बोला इरफान हमारे गाड़ी में जाओ, because we'll write on the way, जाते लिखेंगे. So जुहू, हम लोग यहाँ से जुहू जाते, वो जब मड आइलैंड में था शूटिंग फर्स्ट डे, उसके बाद तो हाँ शूट किए, तो आई थिंक रास्ते में लिखा गया सीन. इरफान also added a lot of things because, you know, he was together when we were writing the scene. रास्ते में लिखे, फिर वो सीन किए. ऐसे ही कर रही है उसको, मतलब. Sorry.
I think great things are made when you don't take it too seriously.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sometimes.
You
Not
take-
all the time.
Classic
You know when
बना
to do
रहे
it.
हैं.
Yeah.
That's not a good.
True.
Really does that work.
And for actors, which is one track from Metro in which is your favorite? Anyone can take the lead.
है ऐसे
अरे
कैसे?
favorite track from here.
How can you
एक
do
तो.
that?
बोल दे मेरा ट्रैक और क्या.
I've actually seen only my track.
The
Song.
song.
Oh,
track.
that kind of track.
Which is
Track
that
है.
song, the one.
जो अभी वाला है ना,
We should have assumed he wasn't saying किसकी कहानी best है.
थोड़ा
Then pointed
मीठा,
the
थोड़ा
post.
खट.
हाँ, वो आया नहीं अभी तक बाहर.
अच्छा.
That was
Okay,
gonna
What
come
is
out.
that
That
called?
one.
Oh, that's-
Yeah, Coco's favorite song is yet to come out.
Yes.
And which is yours?
अरे यार बड़ा मुश्किल है. I think it's again yet to come out.
Okay.
So मेरा favorite मैंने बचा के रखा अभी तक.
Mhm.
So it's going to come out, yeah.
Okay. And Fatima, favorite song from the album?
दिल का क्या?
दिल का क्या?
हाँ, I really love it. I messaged also दादा के यार ये गाने हमारे फिल्म के अच्छे हैं. You know, कभी-कभी आप सिर्फ बोलते हो अच्छे हैं, but you don't really महसूस, like you don't feel it. तो I'm genuinely enjoying our playlist. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. Thanks.
हम लोग I think halfway through ना प्रीतम पूछा मेरे को, अब ना पुराना भी यार, is it matching the, we were taking that baggage too much actually seriously. मतलब छोड़ना है यार, मतलब, you know, let's create good music which suits this film. बन गया, मतलब you are the same person, I'm the same person, हो गया तो हो गया, मतलब, you know, वो baggage बहुत हम लोगों ने नहीं लिया, प्रीतम ने, हमने back of the mind तो रहता ही है, you have to create it, but, you know, with this.
And Ali?
What is that name of that song? That Khatta
मौसम।
Meeta.
हाँ कुछ
What
खट्टा
is it
मीठा।
called?
वो आया नहीं ना
उसका नाम अभी तक
नहीं नहीं हाँ अक्सर अमूमन मैं कह रहा हूँ उसको
हाँ,
गाने को अभी तक।
अक्सर अमूमन and also sex. वो आप देख लो फिल्म में देख लो।
Adi loves this song. The sex.
No,
I didn't know there was a song called
Adi-
Sex
Adi
and
has-
All.
no, no, Adi, no, it's not. Adi has done a musical in the film. In उसने गाना भी गाया. Adi ने उसने and he has sung also. हाँ, it's called इश्क या ठरक. So I think.
No, sir, there's one more, no? Then.
But वो
Sex is
untitled,
different.
untitled.
That is.
But we can't
Untitled.
keep saying this, maybe.
हाँ yeah. Beep,
Sorry,
beep,
sorry.
beep, beep, beep,
Yeah.
beep, beep.
And Zara, your favorite song?
I actually, Zamana Lage was the first one, but I
Ditto.
think that,
Yeah.
there's something very, very special.
Yeah.
about that
ज़माना
also.
लगे got made in Lalit Hotel, you know, because मैं दिल्ली में था और वहाँ से कहाँ से I was I think traveling somewhere and Pritam was supposed to go to Jaipur. I said I need this song. तो प्रीतम बोला अच्छा ठीक है हम लोग फिर प्रीतम हाँ गए और गाना बनाया और प्रीतम फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गया जयपुर का, टू ड्राइव ऑल द वे फ्रॉम
Oh my God.
दिल्ली टू जयपुर फॉर द शो. आई रिमेंबर सब गाने के भी
Both
बड़े
it.
वियर्ड स्टोरीज है एक्चुअली हमारे.
दैट वन वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. वो जो आपका फ्लड के टाइम पे जो प्रीतम दा और आपने
हाँ।
बनाया था वो बहुत रैंडम और बहुत ही
हाँ दैट हुई मेरी
हाँ.
शाबाश.
And moving further, when you're working with Pritam Da, you said there's not no clear set boundary. Song or the music comes to you as it comes. From Gangster, Barfi, Jagga Jaz, one of my favorite films of yours. Tell me, how do you filter out the things that this has to be kept, this has not, because everything is good, of course, when the two of you are working. How do you filter out the things कि इतना ही रखना है, भले ही दूसरा वाला कितना भी अच्छा हो, we can't necessarily keep this.
कई बार हुआ है, कई बार मेरे गाने में नाम नहीं लूंगा, गाने जो बहुत मुझे अच्छे लगते थे लेकिन मेरी फिल्म में बर्फी में दो बहुत अच्छे गाने जो दूसरे फिल्म में गए बहुत बड़े हिट हुए. सो ऐसे द डायरेक्टर आस्क्ड मी दादा कैन आई टेक दिस सॉन्ग आर यू यूजिंग इन बर्फी. मैंने बोला ठीक है. तो ऐसे हुए कई बार, बहुत बार हुआ है.
दुख नहीं होता है.
नहीं दुख नहीं होता है, दुख नहीं होता नहीं. और कुछ गाने अगर मुझे डायरेक्टर मेरा दोस्त है तो मैं दे देता हूँ एंड नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं देता हूँ. नहीं कई बार क्या होता है जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ देयर इज माय कंट्रीब्यूशन आल्सो टू क्रिएट दैट सॉन्ग विद प्रीतम देन आई एम वेरी मच पॉजिटिव अबाउट द सॉन्ग. जब वो प्रीतम का हो तो प्रीतम का बेबी है ना, मतलब मैं अपना हक कितना उसमें वो करूँगा.
पराया बच्चा है.
हाँ तो वो फिर ठीक है, मैं जितना बोल सकता हूँ कि रखो. लेकिन और बहुत मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि गाने कहीं और जाने के लिए बहुत ऐसा, जैसे बर्फी का गाना किसी और ऐसे जनरिक फिल्म में फिट नहीं होगा, है ना. मैं इस फिल्म का भी ऐसे ही है, वो गाने ऐसे फट से कहीं और लगेंगे नहीं, वो फिल्म के लिए ही बनते हैं. और प्रीतम की एक खासियत है कि ही फ्लेक्सेस हिज मसल एज ए म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर बट नॉट गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. वो कहानी उसके लिए मेन है, उससे परे नहीं हटता वो.
And there's one more question related to that. Life in a Metro, first all rock Bollywood album. For this album, what was the larger thought process, the overarching thought process कि इस genre में होना चाहिए or something like that, or it wasn't?
Yeah, we always wanted to, which we tried in Ludo also little bit. वहाँ से था, हम Ludo film वो allow नहीं किया because Ludo musical film थी नहीं. और आबाद बर्बाद करने के बाद हमें लगा कि यार ये हमें एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए अच्छे से, जहाँ पे गज़ल को हम थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करें नए तरीके से. और सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट आइडिया एक्चुअली. एंड सारे गाने तो वैसे नहीं हो सकते, सिचुएशन वैसे होते हैं. दिल का क्या हमने वो फॉलो नहीं किया, लेकिन मौसम वैसा है, इतनी मोहब्बत कितनी का वैसा है. तो ऑल दिस सॉन्ग्स आर देयर, दिस इज नाइस ब्यूटीफुल लिरिक्स. एंड हाँ मतलब पुराने हम गज़ल बहुत के शौकीन है मैं और प्रीतम बहुत, लेकिन उसको मॉडर्न ट्विस्ट देना जरूरी था. दैट वाज द थॉट बिहाइंड.
And my next question is for the actors. He spoke about this one thing that he's very detached when it comes to giving away his music if it's not fitting in the narrative. For you as actors, as artists, how do you look at detachment and the attachment in your process, in your craft of acting?
performance.
I guess as you more work you do. Earlier, I used to go home after doing a scene and
we
used to
just
beat
think about
myself
that,
about saying I could have done this, I could have done that, I should have done this, I messed this up. But at the end of the day, the scene is done and it's not going to get you anywhere. So I think I've learned over time to be able to detach from whatever has happened in the day And then, yeah, I think it's a process of detaching only, because once you're done with the
Yeah.
acting, and then
You have to go
the
live your
director
life.
kind of chooses whatever's best out of whatever you've done.
और आपके
So,
हाथ में इतना ही है,
Mm.
आप एज एन
Yeah.
एक्टर इतना ही कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो, उसके बाद डायरेक्टर देखेगा, फिर एडिट पे देखेंगे क्या करना है नहीं करना है, शायद आउटटेक यूज हो जाए, उन सब चीजों में हमारा हाथ नहीं
Yeah.
होता। वो सीन था राज का और मेरा और बेचारे का मोनोलॉग,
हाँ ये
उफ आई वाज सो बैड, ओह माय गॉड आई फेल्ट सो बैड फॉर हिम। मेरे 3-4 लाइंस थे, मुझे उसको खाली वो क्यूज देने थे और वहां से ही उसका मोनोलॉग आगे बढ़ सकता था, मैं वो नहीं कर पाई। And it was so sad because after that I started getting nervous, I started forgetting even more, and Dada and Raj could have gotten irritated, and they were like nahi Fatty it's okay, Fatty it's okay, and that's when you realize कि यार मतलब दूसरे लोग आपको कितना I learned that, so जब भी दूसरी बार कोई मेरे सामने फबलता है ना, मैं चिढ़ती नहीं हूँ, मैं पुछ नहीं करती हूँ, मैं भी संभालती हूँ क्योंकि वो इंसान पे जो गुजर रही होती है ना उसी को ही पता होता है। So thanks.
And Konkona ma'am,
Yeah. What was the thing?
I just went somewhere.
how do you let go?
हमारा ध्यान कहीं और चला गया।
I was thinking in the beginning that the this acting is a process of letting go only,
Yeah.
by and large.
Absolutely.
And on set particularly, I feel like that detachment is very important. Not I'm saying detaching from a character going home. I think हो ही जाता है, मेरा भी हो ही जाता है. It's not such an issue कि घर पे जाके भी I'm feeling like it rarely ever happens, I think. But the only time I feel like I have to hold on a little bit is between takes, like take 1 and take 2 के बीच में you have to little bit keep
Get
it
into the
together.
moment,
But otherwise on set you have to detach because your environment has nothing to do with the character's world.
Yeah.
Your actor's world and what they are seeing has nothing to do with the character's world and what the character is seeing. So, that detachment, to be able to focus in the middle of chaos, that's such an important quality. And it's a meditative quality, and I feel it's a very useful life lesson also.
yeah.
Actually, Pritam also has this, because Pritam, it's really scary at this stage of post-production of the film, because he keeps adding, because background, अरे Pritam अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं I'll add this, I'll add that, he becomes so possessive with every song, every piece, everything. Release के बाद
भूल गया।
Gone.
भूल जाता
Lovely.
बट तब तक आपको लगता है तो मतलब पागल कर देगा, मतलब
Right.
ऐसा घुस जाता है वो।
है।
And he spends money. I said Pritam, मतलब कहीं भी musicians sitting in Prague recording for him, and
Wow.
somebody in Miami recording for him, like whole. But then after that,
Let's go.
next film.
But
Yeah,
that's
you
how
have to be
it's
like that.
important to
Yeah.
be like that.
And Sarah?
No, I think
Closing
what
words.
Coco ma'am said is absolutely correct. There's many levels to it. I think that you have to detach what's going on versus what's going on versus what's going on.
Yeah.
And they are all sometimes different. So I think being as true here as you can is very important.
Okay, perfect. So with that, we have reached the end of this conversation. If there's
Thank you.
anything that I may have missed asking as a question,
थिएटर में जाके देखिएगा
4th of July, correct, important.
100%. So on that note, thank you so much, and I
Thank
wish you all the
you.
best for
Thank
Metro.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ये स्टाइल का मामला है रूपा फ्रंटलाइन